Hello, this is Alex Horkey with a public service announcement about privacy and security online. The first thing I'm going to start with is phone safety. You should always have a password on your phone longer than 4 digits. You have a lot of personal information on your cell phone. This is something that you need to protect. With social media, you need to know what you are posting and who all can see it. As soon as you put it online, it is there forever and you can't take it back. Don't give out personal information such as your phone number, address, or email. You will always want to have a virus protection software to prevent viruses on your computer, phone, or electronic device. Never share passwords with anyone. This would allow them to access your personal information and say or do things online under your name that you wouldn't normally do. While making passwords, use something that you can remember. Some tips on making a password is that it should contain a minimum of 8 characters, have at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, a number, and contain special characters.